What the hell, Matthew? Stop doing that. Stop freaking making your hands clap. Okay.
Do you know the way?
Right in front of the ice bins, that's where I heard the talking from.
So we're here. So hey, what's up, guys? Quick Gaming here, and we're playing some prop hunts.
Well, these people just shut the fuck up.
No. Well, you guys can't hear these people, but they're fucking annoying. God damn it! How do you turn down the volume?
Okay, you fucking exit the shit. Click. Wait, no, click escape.
And then go to there.
That, and then you click. You dick that.
And there, the volume's down.
Problem solved.
Time to solve world peace. 9/11.
You can't save the world if there is no world.
Yep.
You can save the world if nobody else exists besides you. Dr. Reaper tastes like death. I like that. Wait, that bottle looks kind of suspicious. I'm an alcoholic, so I'm gonna shoot all of these.
Whoa, I actually thought that was the cup.
I'm gonna fucking die, but okay. You want some milk? I think this guy's the door.
Who knows? Don't you got like a nuke?
How do I do the nuke? Do you know the way? How are you doing that? Oh shit. Oh, the nuke's the SMG.
Okay, you keep moving.
Do you know the way? Do you know the way, Troller James? Oh yeah, he can't hear me.
Yeah.
What the fuck does he have an LGBTQ fucking crowbar?
Who knows? I'll be right back.
Marriage is like sharing a root beer float or agreeing to be the back half of a horse costume. Even when it's happening on stage, you should only do it with love. I've never been married myself. I once desperately loved a remarkably brave and bravely remarkable woman who, when I asked her if she would be my wife, found her complicated and unfathomable, and she could give me no answer.
No answer.
Should probably turn this down in case we get copyrighted.
Oh shit, man. Who cares about that? Oh fuck. They won.
Well, that's good.
No, Cops won. No, put it on here so you can.
No!
Yes!
Fuck you! Let me turn into a prop first so I don't get fucking raped. Nick? What should I turn into? Are you
that
fucking...
pop.
Stop messing
Wait, go see those pop pans over there? Go in there and then look at it. Press E.
Press E?
Now press E again. Ha! You broke it.
Do you know the way?
I know the way. Let me show you the way.
I know the way. You go up here. You go up here. And... yeah. Where the fuck did I go? Nick, what are you doing?
Did you jump into that? Or are...
Oh shit. Yeah, I went inside it.
Well, I guess my phone's done updating.
Guess my nigger. Can you stop?
I can't stop!
Stop! Ah, fucking bitch.
I'm a bitch.
Oh shit, I think he discovered my hideout.
Start moving.
Gotta go fast. Did he not fucking notice? Are you retarded? Or were you just born that way?
Go, 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 go!
Yeah, I can't really move that fast. Don't worry, y'all. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Aw, that bitch.
You were killed by Big Fire 42. Do you know the way? I said, do you know the way? I wish I could use this controller.
Yeah, that'd make it a lot more easier.
But you're a bitch. Oh, the thing came off. The black thing. You're sitting on it, Dad. Dad, you're sitting on that black cock.
What the fuck?
Do you like it, son? Are you ready, kids?
You raped there.
Remember when you ear raped Caven and then you hang up?
Oh, yeah.
Hey, what's up, guys? John C. Reilly here, starring John C. Reilly, starring John C. Reilly. Hey, what's up, guys? Will Smith here. Hey, what's up, guys? Dahad Noble here. We're having some technical difficulties. Starring your favorite dick tip.
Is it plugged in?
I think so, Dad. Yeah, it's glowing. It was.
Okay, now go to options.
That's probably where we could have fucking muted him. You really need a new controller for that shit like that.
Yeah. Let's see. We'll just keep it there.
So can I use it now?
Nope, not at all.
Oh. Take it. It's an abortion. Remember, kids, abortion's good. As long as you tell the baby first that it's dying.
And you don't no longer love it.
Well, you won't love it. It won't be dead. Bignifier 42. Where are you, Mr. Jew? Mr. Bond, can you show us the way? I said, can you show us the way? That's what this video is going to be called. Show me the way.
I will show you the way.
We need to find the queen.
I am the commander now. I will show you the
My
way.
brothers. Are you ready, kids?
No, Captain. Ear rape there.
I hope you like it.
What the fuck?
Trying to appease the monster.
What the fuck?
What?
I am bored. As shit.
Hi, bored. I'm dead. I'm bored. Hi, bored. You're an abortion.
Wow. Hurry up and fucking lose already. Either fucking die or something, because this is long. I'm probably gonna be dead before this even happens.
It's the Cantina theme from Star Wars played in.
Oh.
Listen.
You do not want to get copyrighted.
It's fine. It's fucking pencils. You can't copyright a goddamn pencil.
Yeah, you can.
We'll just put the fucking video in the description. Do you know the way? No, Imperial March.
Oh my god.
This is ASMR at its finest. Oh shit! We're playing as a skullfucker.
You can do.
Remember, kids!
Don't do school, kids. Stay on drugs.
It's stay in drugs. Please sound like you're fucking high. Oh shit, boy! We're back again. Welcome to schoolshooter.com/schoolshooter.com/schoolshooter.com. And remember, kids, as always, I hope you enjoyed.
As always, I hope you get cancer and die.
I think Keemstar said that once to his fan base. He's like, I honestly don't care about any of you. I hope you all get cancer and die.
Same here.
I just shot a box, like, to the floor. I look kind of suspicious.
Hey, use that mini nuke.
Then I'll die.
So?
Okay, there it is. SMG. No, put the mouse down. Put the mouse down. God damn it, you fucking...
Whoa, there's a secret entrance right there.
Yeah, it's called a vent. Ever heard of a bitch? Because that's what you are, Nick. I went back down to Arena 7 and it made me depressed.
Oh.
Copyright. Copyright.
Wow.
Copyright. We're not even going to get money off this anyway. Guys, you won't believe what we found in the woods. We found a way.
The way is the memes. It's like Savage Simon, crushing dreams and making memes.
Oh yeah, didn't like fucking Deadpool join?
Oh, you mean
Fucking
totally
Tommy.
not Alex?
It's Tommy. Deadpool's Tommy.
Oh, Tommy joined us?
Who's totally not Alex? Is that Alex A?
Yeah, Alex Lyons.
What happened to his old account?
Alex Lyons, I said.
Oh, Alex Lyons?
Yeah,
He plays this now?
yeah. Since I play
Who's nobody?
Dragon Ball Dokkan thing, whatever that shit is called. He got me into playing that, so I got him. Me and Alex got him into playing this.
Who's nobody?
That's me.
Why'd you make a second account?
So that I can. Okay, so I tried to get the E-Wiz on Clash Royale, and so what I did on Clash Royale, I was super desperate, so I just created a new account to request like something like very valuable.
Yeah, because I saw somebody and then said nobody joined. I was like, oh, Nick has a partner.
A
Yeah,
partner in crime.
fucking Tommy's only at Arena 3.
Hey, I thought Tommy stopped playing the game.
Well, he's Deadpool. I'm number 7. Please end my worthless existence.
I will.
Oh, you're playing right now, you faggot?
Yeah, I'm playing.
Are you gonna go to Arena 12?
I'm gonna go to Arena 100, family.
Don't you mean Ultimate Champion?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to Ultimate Champion.
Didn't you say you could like make money off it then?
What?
I don't know. If they say like they're in stuff when they do that.
I'm pretty sure you can't make money off of that. Savage Simon, crushing dreams and making memes.
Crushing dreams and making memes.
That's the way of life now.
Best of 2017. The world's done.
The world's gonna end, and these fucking people won't find a way. These guys need to find a way. They do not know the way. How could you? How could you?
Right.
I'm pretty sure we're gonna lose again.
We always lose.
Yeah. Yeah, we will probably be able to play one match after this.
Then you want to play Doki Doki Lit
Yeah,
Club?
we'll play some Doki Doki Lit Club after this.
Cavaniel gets AIDS?
Probably.
Yeah, this video's... Oh, we only have 3 minutes left.
Yeah,
Should we just end it now?
I guess.
Pretty cancerous video.
We could.
So, remember kids, your mother doesn't love you, your dad's going to abandon you, and your uncle probably is going to rape you in 5 years. Okay? I hope you enjoyed. Goodbye.
Wait.
Also,
Fuck.
I can show you